यू आर वेलकम टू सत्य एंड सृष्टि क्लासेस। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ये चैप्टर 1 दैट इज क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट के टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट एंड फिल इन द blanks. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called dash. It is called as crop. The first step before growing crop is dash of the soil. The first step is called as your preparation of the soil. Damaged seeds would dash on top of water. Damaged seeds would float on top of water. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight, water and nutrients from the soil are essential. Next question number 2. Match items in column A with those in column B. In column A it is given खरीफ क्रॉप्स, रबी क्रॉप्स, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स, ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर. उसको मैच करना है कलम बी के साथ. यार खरीफ क्रॉप्स दे आर गिवन पेडी एंड मेज. ओके. नेक्स्ट रबी क्रॉप्स व्हीट, ग्राम एंड पी. केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स यूरिया एंड सुपर फॉस्फेट. ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर एनिमल एक्सक्रीटा, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Next question number 3. Give 2 examples of each. खरीफ क्रॉप आप दे सकते हैं सोयाबीन एंड ग्राउंडनट. देन रबी क्रॉप पी एंड मस्टर्ड. नेक्स्ट राइट ए पैराग्राफ इन योर ओन वर्ड्स ऑन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. आपको पैराग्राफ लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज योर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ soil. Soil preparation is the first step to be followed before growing a crop. It is usually employed to loosen the soil so that the plant roots breathe easily and the plant roots can penetrate freely and deeper into the soil. This also helps earthworms and microbes in the soil that brings the nutrients rich soil to the top. The soil is prepared for sowing the seeds of the crop by plowing, leveling and manuring. Next, sowing. The process of scattering and putting seeds into the soil so as to grow a new crop plant is called sowing. Traditionally, funnel-like tools are used for sowing, but nowadays seeds are sown by a seed drill implement. It scatters the seeds at regular intervals in the soil. Next, we have to write paragraph on weeding. The process of removal of weeds or unwanted plants is called weeding. Weeding is essential as weeds are harmful for the growth of crops because they compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space and light. It is done manually uprooting or cutting of weeds with the help of khurpi. Modern method includes use of chemicals called as weedicides. Next, you have to write on threshing. The process in which the grain seeds are separated from chaff is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, that is a combination of harvester and thresher. Question number 5. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. इसका आंसर आप हम जो डिस्कस किए हैं वीडियो, आपका 4th नंबर वीडियो में पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, वहाँ से आप लिख लेना. ओके. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज इरिगेशन? डिस्क्राइब 2 मेथड्स ऑफ इरिगेशन व्हिच कंजर्व वाटर. The process of artificial supplying water to crops at different intervals according to the requirements of different crops is called irrigation. 2 methods of irrigation which conserve water are sprinkler system and drip system. Here first one is sprinkler system. In this system, the perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. it gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler is very useful for sandy soil. Drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. Water is not wasted at all in drip system. Okay, thank you.